Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Cloud Armor policies for DDoS protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the left sidebar and select Security. Within the Security section, click on Cloud Armor. Once in the Cloud Armor dashboard, locate the Policies tab. Choose the specific policy you want to update. Click on the policy name to open its details. Review the existing rules listed within the policy. To modify a rule, select the Edit button next to the relevant rule. Adjust the settings as necessary for your DDoS protection needs. Make sure to update action types, such as allowing, denying, or rate limiting. For adding new rules, look for the Add Rule option at the top of the rules list. Select the conditions for the new rule based on your traffic patterns. Specify the action to take when those conditions. Optionally, you can annotate the rule with a description for future reference. After all changes are made, be sure to review the impact of your updates. Once satisfied, click Save to apply your changes. If prompted, confirm your updates to finalize the policy alteration. It may take a few moments for the new settings to propagate. Always monitor traffic patterns after the changes to ensure optimal protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.